Hello, Sajad. If in your country, like this too much rain,
Flooding.
what do you do?
You're dancing.
Huh? Dancing? In my country, sleeping. Yeah, eating and sleeping. Yes. It's almost 3 hour raining here in the Tual. Yes, in the morning they have a thunderstorm. You know the oh, you see that outside? Hey, Mr. Pakistan. Are you Pakistan? Hey, are you Pakistan? Wait, I will upload this one in my YouTube channel. Okay, Muta? I'm up. Be cool. If you are Pakistan, I am be cool. See? We are much to each other. You are Pakistan and I'm a be cool. Crazy woman. Don't say something, huh? And then you will tell if I'm not driving my ra. Now it's cold. See? Now this is the rain in the Saudi Arabia. 3 hour already. You know, 3 hour already. Yani talata sa matar alhin goe. O see? Shufti? Alhin bisir bet. Inshallah dakal bet ma andi mayo siyada. Shwaya bes inshallah.
Why you speak Arabic?
Because I have friend also in Arabic. Wallah. Best Pakistan Sadiq. Also Arabic. Because we are here in Arabian country. Sajad, what is rain in Pakistan?
Barish.
Huh?
Barish.
Barish. Ah, I thought barista. People drinking the rain.
You drink your sugar and your diabetes will finish.
You are right. I'm very rich in sugar. You like to buy? You like to buy sugar, Mr. Pakistan? Yes, this is the rain. Oh! No. We are happy if the rain coming here. But in the Philippines, we are not happy. We are praying, please, Lord, not too much rain. But here, please, Lord, I didn't saw that. Ay, why you not telling me, Mr. Pakistan, the be cool, asking you why you not telling me? May you know be cool? That is the province in the Philippines. Be cool. Sajad, Pakistan. Uy! 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 Don't mind. See? That is the one. Yeah! Oy. Don't shout. Allah, why like that?
It's flooding now.
Yeah!